Brush through how you want your hair to lay, and create a part if necessary. Decide which side you want your braid to fall, and create the correct angle and partings. For a right side braid, start the right side higher. Gather a pretty big piece and start lower on the head for this look. Separate that piece into 2 equally sized sections. Take a small piece from the outer right section, cross the piece over and add it to the left section. Take a small piece of the outer left section and cross over and add it to the right section. Grab another piece from the outer right section, anchor it to the left section, and add some of the loose hair to combine it to the left section. Repeat from right to left. Be sure to get the front shorter pieces in right away to prevent lagging. Pull out face framing pieces if desired. Remember, where your hands direct your hair is key. It is also important to keep the sections tight to your head to prevent lagging. Once you get the bottom of your hairline and have added all the hair, bring the section forward and switch hand position. The remaining hair, continue adding pieces from the outer part to the left section to the right section and repeat from right to left. The smaller pieces you add, the more defined braid you'll get. For looser braids, take bigger sections. When you get to the end of the braid, secure with elastic. Fan out the petals of the braid for a thicker look. And there you go, a French fishtail braid brought to you by TYME Style.